Hey everyone, this is Dr. Drew Timmermans with Regenerative Performance. I have finally decided to start shooting some videos. I'm going to try to shoot them daily. Should be coming out Monday through Saturday each week, maybe some exceptions. But I want this first video to just be an introduction of who I am, kind of talk about what these videos are going to go over, some different discussions we may have, and then also I'm going to answer a question at the end that I had on Instagram. So first, again, my name is Dr. Drew Timmermans. I am a naturopathic medical doctor practicing in Scottsdale, Arizona. I graduated from the Southwest College of Naturopathic Medicine, where I am just finishing up my residency in pain management and regenerative injection therapies, which we're going to be talking a lot about through these videos. And I'm also the founder and chief medical officer of Regenerative Performance, which is most likely how most of you found this video. So that's a little bit about me. The purpose of these videos is one, to start help sharing information. I post a lot on Instagram, I write a lot, and sometimes that is not the most effective way to get out what I want to say, what other people want to say. And so I thought, well, I might as well record some videos to help kind of spread that message and change the medium with which I'm doing that. This is also my coffee that I need every day. Love it. So that's one of the reasons. The other reason is I wanted to start interviewing people and starting to help others share their message through different platforms, because there's a lot of great people that I'm connected with that I want you guys to hear from and maybe take some of what they say into your life so that you can kind of make it better. The topics that we're gonna kind of discuss on these videos is going to be multifaceted. The main theme is essentially going to be helping you to feel better, whether that's with fatigue or with pain or with brain fog, anything like that, and also to perform better, not just in athletics and sport, but also whether that's in your job. If you're an entrepreneur, if you're trying to work up into the C-suite management in your organization, we are here and trying to help you to improve your cognitive performance, your athletic performance, and the performance throughout the rest of your life. So that's kind of the topics that we're going to cover. With the videos, there's probably going to be some different formats. So we're going to have some daily videos where I'm just going to talk. I might answer a few questions here or there that I had on social media over the last few days. Maybe a little kind of vlog style. I'm not sure yet. I'm going to feel that part out for me. But I'm also going to just start doing some interviews like I was saying earlier. And the point of these interviews is to help spread that information out. Not just my information, but also their information, so that we can try and help you a bit more. And then at the end of each week, I'm going to try something for a little bit, and it's going to be a weekly reflection, and it's going to focus mainly on my clinic life. And so I'm going to talk about some patients, again, obviously keeping their information private and respecting that, but talk about some clinical cases that may help some of you to either seek out the help that you need for your pain or your fatigue or weight gain or anything like that. But also it may resonate with some of you on different treatments that I do or considered for you to go out and consider if you're not happy with the current treatment that you've had. So that's kind of what we're going to be going here with the videos. So I just wanted to finish off with a question I had on social media. So the other day I posted about not ignoring your testosterone levels just because of how important they are in the performance of your life. And so if you want to read that post, you can head over to Instagram. If you don't already follow me, you can just search Regenerative Performance. So the question that I got was, how can we naturally increase testosterone through food? And the question was specifically what foods, but I need to kind of rephrase that question, because there are going to be subsets of food that are going to help increase testosterone levels. But it's not like there's going to be a specific food, like, oh, if you eat Brussels sprouts, which So it's not going to be that there's one specific food that's going to increase testosterone levels. It's more so looking at the diet as a whole. The research shows that a more Paleolithic diet, so something that is going to be a little bit higher in protein, lower in processed foods, and then also good healthy fats, helps to increase testosterone levels. And from my point of view, the main shifts that are going to be there is actually kind of threefold when we look at each of the macros. So one, increasing protein is going to help with just being in a more anabolic state, which helps your body to produce testosterone. So that's one. Two is the incorporation of healthy fats. And so in order to make your sex hormones, and this is not just testosterone, this is testosterone, progesterone, estrogen, all of those require cholesterol as the starting point. And so if you're on the low fat diet kick, your body is probably being starved of some cholesterol. And so your hormones may not be as optimal as they could be because you're not providing the basic raw substrate in order to make those hormones. And so healthy fats are going to be good in that sense. But then also keeping the carbohydrates lower is going to help with increasing your testosterone because you're able to recover better. You're not getting those big insulin spikes and things like that. And so a shift away from processed food is probably going to be the biggest needle mover, and fast food as well, the biggest needle mover in increasing testosterone levels. But it really, again, it's not just one little snippet of the diet, it's re-looking at the whole diet. So thank you everybody for watching this. If you watched it to the end, if you're not subscribed on YouTube, please, if you could do that, you'll get notifications when I post these new videos, and leave any comments below. I'd love to hear more about you, maybe what you'd like to see out of these videos or anything like that. All right, thanks a lot, guys.